I'll be guiding you guys on how to redeem Fortnite gift card on Nintendo Switch. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go ahead over to Fortnite.com and you're gonna go ahead and log into your Nintendo Switch by clicking on this logo on the top right corner, and then it's going to redirect you to a new page. Here you can see there are many options, but for you, you're going to click on Nintendo and continue with it. Or if you have, or if you know the account of your Epic Games, you can directly go ahead and sign in through there. But in my case, I'm just going to go ahead and log in with Google, but you'll have to make sure that you log in using your Epic Games account or by Nintendo Switch. So now I'm going to wait for the login to be successful, and then we can go ahead and see the next steps. It's gonna take a few seconds. All right. So now once you're logged in, you're gonna go ahead over to the top right corner and click on this option. And then you're gonna scroll down until you see this option of V-Bucks card. You're gonna go ahead and click on it. And then it's gonna redirect you to a new page. Now once you're here, you're gonna see the option of redeem your V-Bucks card. So you're gonna go ahead and click on get started, and then it's going to show you to enter your code on your gift card. Unfortunately, I can't show you this step because I don't have a valid Fortnite gift card with me right now, but the instructions are pretty much clear. You're going to go ahead and open it, then you can scratch it with a coin, and whatever code is there, you can go ahead and type it in here and click on next. Now whenever you sign into this account, whichever is logged in, you're going to see the V-Bucks loaded into your account. So, alright, guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.